What would happen if Earth's gravity increased by 50%? Let's say that one day Earth's gravity doesn't just rise a bit, it spikes by 50% instantly. No warning, no build-up, just an invisible force that suddenly tucks everything 1.5 times harder toward the ground. First, the basics. Gravity is the glue that holds your body upright, your bones aligned and your heart pumping. A 50% increase in gravitational pull means your body would feel 1.5 times heavier. That means your 70 kilogram frame would now feel like 105 kilograms. Your muscles might barely manage at first, but your skeleton will begin to suffer. Fragile joints like knees and ankles would collapse under the load. Elderly or infirm individuals would likely be the first casualties of this shift. Now imagine the buildings around you. Most structures aren't designed for this extra weight. Skyscrapers would groan under their own mass. Support beams would begin to fracture, bridges would buckle, and elevators, they'd become death traps, unable to counteract the new downward force. Transportation grinds to a halt. Planes can't generate enough lift, and cars require more power to overcome friction. Our infrastructure isn't just stressed, it's failing. Then there's the atmosphere. Denser gravity compresses the atmosphere closer to Earth. Air becomes heavier, oxygen less available at higher altitudes. Birds can't fly. People on mountains might suffocate. But wait, this change isn't just on the surface. Earth's core feels it too. Increased pressure accelerates tectonic activity. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions become more frequent and intense. Satellites in low Earth orbit. They're now too close. Pulled in by the stronger gravity, they burn up in the atmosphere or crash back to Earth. Over months, ecosystems begin to collapse. Trees can't support their own branches. Insects and small mammals adapt fastest, involving stronger muscle to weight ratios. But larger animals, including us, struggle to survive. In the long run, only engineered environments, bunkers, sealed cities, robotic suits can help humanity adapt. We become a species dependent on tech just to stand up straight. So increasing Earth's gravity by 50% doesn't just weight us down, it breaks everything we know.